All right, so I saw this on TikTok, and we're gonna try this thing out. First, let's just unbox it and see what it's all about, see what you get with it. Usually you get the same kind of stuff with these things, but we'll see. This one wasn't that expensive, it was pretty cheap, really. So it comes out like this. Oh, it does have a waterproof case. I like that. So here's all the stuff in it. We'll go through it slowly. Here's your camera, and you know, all of them have these little pieces of film on them, so you need to unhook. Let me see if there's one on the back. Nope. This one looks pretty simple. It's got a button here, and that releases it. Look at this. This pops off, and then this opens up, and here's the camera. Looks pretty cool, I gotta say. I'm gonna pull all this stuff off. Wow, look at that. Now, I don't know if it has a charge in it or not. It does seem to have a port on one side. Let's see what's in here. This is usually where your port is. Okay, so to charge it, it's a USB-C, and you need a micro SD card for it. Now, I don't know if it comes with one. We're going to find out. All right, let's see what else is in here. All right, so this is some type of, oh, look at this. So it is magnetic too. Look at this here, check it out. So you can put this on here, and I think it's on this side. Let's see. Oh yeah, look. So you can do that with it. Ooh, it's pretty strong too, I gotta say. This has a thing on it too. You gotta peel off. I don't know why they put it on here. But so when you put this on, I put it on wrong. You gotta put it like that, okay? Because that's the part that slams on there. All right, so that's cool. Let's set that down. It does come with all these like GoPro kind of attachments that most people who use action cameras understand how to use them. Here's the bigger one for the, this would, you know, you could use it on your bike. It does come with these little pads that you can stick thing together. This is one of those wheel deals that extends it. Right here. Here's an extra thingamabob. See, these go like this. You see that? And then you screw them in. And then these things all have these little, you know, on the bottom, they got something that goes in like that. And then you can take this, put it in here, and then attach it. And then that would be, you know, on your surfboard or whatever you're using, skateboard. Let's set that down. This is, you can put on your helmet, or you can put it on your surfboard. And that's what this attachment goes into, these things here. I'll show you. So they come with these, and this kind of slides in it like that. This one doesn't want to go in there, though. Oh, it's different. I see. It's got like little edges on it. All right, well, anyway, that goes on like that. Here's another one of these things. Most of the stuff I never use because I hook them to my surfboard. And then we get then we know if it's going to be any good. It does come with a USB-A to C, so you can charge it, no block. Got one of these to clean off here's your bike deal. This thing here is what you use to put it on your bicycle right there. It's got 2 screws on it. And then it comes with these doohickeys here that you can wrap it on your, I don't know, on your wrist or what. All right, and last but not least, you get this. So now we just got to charge it up and then try it out and see what we think. You know what I mean, jelly beans? I'm going to throw all this stuff back in here. And here's our camera. Here's our waterproof case. This is pretty nice, though, I got to say. But we're going to charge it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to pop this out. Now, I have a number of cables already set up so that I can charge stuff. So I've got a USB-C. So I'm going to put it right in there. This doesn't come with a card, so you're going to need to get a card. Look, it's telling me something already. But we'll let it charge up, and then, oh, look at that. Oh, it wants me to set it up, okay? So it says year, month, day. I'm thinking that might be touchscreen. Let's see. Okay, that's cool. All right, so anyway, it's the 2026, and it is June. So, and it is the 9th. So now we've got that set, okay? So I think I hit the check mark. Let's see. Okay, the hour right now it's 12:43, okay? So I'm going to go 12, and then should have went the other way. Whoops. I'm going to 44, and that's good. All right. Slide to switch between video and photo mode. All right, so I think I go this way. Swipe up to mode selection. Swipe down for Wi-Fi shutdown. Oh, we're in. Okay, I think that was pretty simple. All right, so tap to enter playback. All right, click to open mode selection. Click to open interface. Click for digital zoom. Scan the QR code to download the camera app. All right, so anyway, it looks like the battery may be charged and we might be ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it, and I'm going to get a SD card and put it in there. So I've got an SD card, and just going to see. So this is tricky because you got to figure out which way it's going to go in. I'm going to try it this way first. Oh, I got lucky on the first try. So let's push it in. Oh man, it doesn't want to go in. Pain in the butt, right? Come on. All right, so I'm going to use this card to push it in. Won't go in. It will not take this. Please format the SD card. Okay, yeah, but I got to get it in there first. Oh, there we go. I really had to push it in. All right, so we've got to format the card. All right, SD card is formatting. I think it's good. All right, so now I got a green light, right? So I think we can go ahead and videotape. Let's try it. All right, it's shooting. Okay, it's working. Okay, so now to play it back, I would just have to tap here. And it says, please wait. Tell me to wait. Let's see what happens. All right, so there it is. Let's go ahead and we'll watch it. All right, it's shooting. Okay, it's working. I got it to work, so I know it'll work. So that's that. All right, then, you know, if you want to see other ones, you can just move it around. But now we're just going to go back. I'm going to hit this arrow up here. And I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna hit trash, and it's gonna ask me delete files, delete current file. I'm gonna delete all the files, and delete, confirm. Okay, so all the files are gone. Let's go back. All right, so now we're back in the beginning. All right, so that's working pretty good, I must say. Anyway, yeah, we're going to have to play with this thing. All right, to turn it off, I think I press this button on this side and hold it. And then it goes off. All right, so now we just got to take it out in the ocean and check it out. It goes in here like that. And this just closes on it. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.